Here I have Samsung Galaxy A15, and today I'm going to show you how to transfer files from internal storage to SD card on this device. So firstly, you should open Files application. Then you can transfer like images, videos, audio files, or any other kinds of files. So let's transfer some images this time. So to select an image, just hold down your finger on it. To select multiple images, just tap once on them. So when you're done selecting, select if you want to move or if you want to copy these images. So let's copy. Then select where to. So now we go to SD card, select any folder you like, could be movies, and tap copy here. And now you'll have these images on your SD card. So yeah, and that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.